From dusk till dawn, surrounded with breathtaking views of the highly sought after Mary Valley region, room for the whole family. Country living doesn't get any better than this. Welcome to 79 Greenoak Road, Kandanga. You are central to Sunshine Coast and Rainbow Beach, and minutes drive to the Kandanga main town. Boasting a magnificent 54 acres of rich fertile country that has 2 well-built homes allowing for dual living requirements. The property's main house features a single-level home that consists of 4 sizable bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with the main bedroom connecting to the private ensuite. The favourable open-plan kitchen and dining has a beautiful northerly views that are sealed with a gorgeous log fireplace which allows warmth throughout the home. The property also features a second separate single-level home which consists of 2 bedrooms and open-plan layout throughout. Sealed with modern fixtures and fittings, the home has endless opportunity for the growing family or the possibility of dual income avenues. The property is powered with a 5 kilowatt solar system and features a double bay shed allowing privacy between both of the properties. The property will be filled with endless family adventures, with the acreage suitable for cattle, horses, and an endless water supply. The stunning property has so much to offer. So if you think you've seen it all, well, we've left the best till last, offering a secluded, self-contained cottage sitting high up with 360 degrees views. I look forward to taking you through your new home.